Hi guys, I've been on TikTok so I cannot be on YouTube anymore, but I moved to YouTube because my TikTok account got banned, so that was too harsh. And after my TikTok account got banned, I moved to YouTube. Mhm. YouTube. So anyways, let's make a outfit transition. Eh, so, wait. Bye. Okay. And this is the outfit review. La- I'm 8. I'm turning 9 on April 15th. Bye bye. Sorry for the wait, guys.